Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of Fidget trading viral squishes. So let's just go on from where we were. Make sure you go watch part 1 before this one, because you're gonna miss a lot. And you're gonna question why this is laid out. So just make sure you go watch that, then come to this one. So I started, as you can see in the first part 1, I started with this. So yeah.
Okay, for that, I trade. Is this special to you?
Yeah. I say, since I already have a duck, I say add something or decline and add something else. Add something else.
Oh.
Well, I'm trying to trade it.
Okay, then I'll add my squishes. No, I need you to add.
Fine. I'll add my Swedish fish that smells really good, and it's stretchy and it's like really good. So yeah. I also got these two on the same day and at the same time, so.
Mine are Squishes.
That I already have.
Okay, fine.
Yay! They have so much air bubbles in them.
I like this one because it smells good.
I personally don't like the minis because they're way too many, and I like the bigger ones of the size of my palm. These are just too many for me. Like, these would be good for babies, but the babies will probably chew them and eat them. So yeah. I just started, so now you start.
I tried something that's very special to me. My flapper. I named him Flaps.
How is that special to you when I traded you that?
Because I actually really like it.
Okay, well, anyways, I'll trade my lime Bobby. That's what I named him, and he's a baby.
Okay, fine. I trade Slap It. This is Slap It, guys.
I accept without Slap It.
No.
I don't want Slap It.
I don't know. I don't want Body. Why is his name Body?
Body.
Body. You named him Body.
I named him Bobby.
Oh, Bobby. I don't want Bobby. Where's the cat though?
So, what do you say?
I said decline.
Okay. Girl, you know that I'm not going to turn a Nito for that, and all I have left is, like, Nitos, so. Alright, so now I'm starting, and I'm going to start with my Peace Groovy Heart that has been ripped. It has been touched 2 times, just like the ice cream. Because I got both of them on the same day, but not at the same time. Do you have any Nitos? That's not a Nito, but okay, I accept. Yay, I got a dumpling and a peach.
I ripped it on the side.
Girl, I literally said that. I said it's ripped on the side. Okay, so let's see what color we get. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna guess blue. How did I guess that? How did I guess that? Oh my gosh. I was like about to regret that. I was about to pick purple because I thought it would be purple. Also, oh, there's packaging here. Why did you leave this packaging in here? This is so weird. That is weird. I thought this was going to be purple, but no, I was wrong.
I just found somebody.
So, I start, so now you start.
I start?
Mhm.
I start?
Yep.
I start. Okay, no, I'm sorry. I'm gonna trade all my sugar pills. Even Slap It.
Okay. I'll add Bobby. I'll add my duck. And then I'll add, I don't have anything else. I don't have anything else besides Neatos. So, do you want to get rid of something?
Flappers. I want to get rid of flappers.
Okay. I accept.
Me too.
Okay, I got blue. Yay. Love
I actually
color.
like this duck. I like how it has a mohawk. So cute. I was actually going to pick purple, and then you picked purple. And then I was going to pick blue, but I know Colin wanted blue. And then he said he didn't want it anymore. So then I took it, and then I don't want pink. So I was just stuck with pink.
Oh wait, I forgot I had this. I could have traded this.
Brisky.
And I'm going to start with this.
That.
Mhm.
Okay. For that, I trade this very long glittery line.
I say add.
Add? Okay, I will add all of them.
Add. That's not even a fidget.
Ow. My butter. We got you got confetti and butter.
I guess, bro.
Guys, that's not really.
This isn't even a fidget. I just got scanned.
It's a fidget, so me.
That's
gosh,
my dog.
I wish I could show here. Shouldn't we be switching spots because this is your channel?
I mean, you picked that side, so. Alright, I'm just gonna. Wait, you know what would look cool if I take this and just go and just put it all over. Okay. So
Well,
now
you can stretch
I'm
it.
gonna start with.
You can't stretch it. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna start with a Neato fuzzball. That's blue. I love it. It's very special to me. And then a blue cube.
Okay. Tata, do you really want this? I'll try this.
Sure.
Yay. 2 Neatos for an off-brand squeezy. That's what I call a deal.
Okay. Wait, is that my squishy? Oh, wait, no, it's not. I seriously thought this was a squishy. Okay. I'm going to start with my 3 minis and my squeezy duck.
Okay.
Well, actually, I'm just going to do that. Just add something small to that.
Something small?
Because I'm like trying to get rid of them.
Okay. But okay, I'll trade this.
Yay, dumpling! Now I have 3 dumplings, and let's see what color it is. I'm gonna guess teal. 3, 2, wait, show you my eyes are closed. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got purple! Oh, it's so cool. I remember when you first opened one, Kendall, you're like, oh my gosh, I got the rarest glitter, oh my gosh. And no, it wasn't rare.
And then I got purple again. I guess.
Okay, and I'm gonna do my squeezy duck.
Okay, then let's do this ice cube.
I say, bippity bappity boo.
Boo!
I say, add your duck.
Okay, I'll add my other Nito.
I
Me too.
Yay! I got the dog. It's not a Funky Pop, or is it? I thought the Funky Pops were the dogs. I meant not the dogs, the cats. I don't know.
No, those are cool cats.
Oh, so this is a Funky Pop. It does say Nito, guys. It does say Nito. It's just it gets dirty very easily, and then like the Nito logo fades. And then we got a brand new purple cube. So okay, guys. So thanks for watching. This is part 2. There's no more parts. This was the last part.
Guys, I still have flappers.
Yeah, I have nothing left in my bin.
I love flappers.
This is literally everything I had in my bin. That was rival. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and this is everything that I got in like fidget training with my sister, like all the viral stuff.
And this is everything I've got in real life fidget training
with my sister. That was viral. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And please, if you want to watch us go fidget trading, then just help us hit 30 subscribers. And if you're already subscribed, then like just go onto like your mom's account and just subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.